1 over 8 as a decimal. So we need to divide numerator 1 by the divisor 8. 8 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times 0 times 8, 0. Subtract 1. To continue this process, convert this whole number into decimal. Take a decimal point, add number of zeros, bring down the first zero. Before the zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 8 goes into 10 how many times? 1 time 8, 8. Subtract 2, bring down another 0. 8 goes into 20 how many times? 2 times. Okay, 2 times 8, which is 16. Subtract 4, bring down another 0. 8 goes into 40 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 8, 40. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 0.125.